Let's dive right into launching your Flutter MVP at absolute lightning speed. Ready? Imagine getting back 20 whole hours of tedious setup time on your very next project. Usually, those first few days just vanish into a black hole of routing and folders. Well, instead of days of manual boilerplate, you get instant ready-to-ship node-based configuration. Enter FlutterSeed. It's a visual scaffolding engine that literally vaporizes all that repetitive early-stage boilerplate. So, what's your ultimate shortcut to launching fast? It's all about these built-in starter presets. You can instantly deploy baseline templates like a full e-commerce starter or a complete Supabase full stack. Indie devs use these presets to completely skip the grind and start building unique features immediately. But crucially, starting super fast with a preset doesn't mean you sacrifice an ounce of flexibility. It actually boils down to 3 incredibly simple steps to get your app shipped out. Grab a preset, then use the drag and drop canvas to effortlessly swap out major architectural pieces. You literally just visually configure your dream stack, like pairing Riverpod state with a Firebase backend. This graph-first approach guarantees zero setup drift. Every single project maintains totally flawless, clean architecture. And whether you click through the visual builder or use the CLI, the output is identical. Okay, once your nodes are wired exactly how you want them, you are completely ready to ship. Just one click processes your graph, giving you a downloadable zip that's instantly ready to run. Plus, the code isn't just some basic shell, it actually passes strict Flutter lints right away. As a sweet bonus, you can literally just copy and paste production-ready UI screens. You've skipped the boilerplate and launched in minutes. So, what'll you build with those extra 20 hours?